It's 15 degrees outside. I wake up and it's absolutely freezing in my house. I go check the thermostat. It's set at 72 and it says 63 degrees in the house. I have no idea what's going on. HVAC is still running. It's actually kind of hot down in the basement area. So I'm gonna check to see if there's any leaks around the ducting. We had this idea, maybe we should encapsulate our basement, thinking that the issue was it was taking in all the cold air from outside. It's probably at least 10 degrees colder down here, or 10 degrees warmer. And this thing was new. As soon as we moved into this house, of course, it didn't work, and it was summer, so we got a new one. I think it's the least efficient out of all of them, but it's new, so let me check to see if there's any leaks. Okay, there's the return. Some cobwebs blowing. There's a big leak right here. Hey, they left us some foil tape. A leak right there, maybe. Try to seal that up. Some of the boots don't have tape around them and stuff like that, the elbows. And I know that you can buy some like sealer, like a compound to seal the joints, maybe. But dude, it's like crazy hot. I mean, it's warm down here. Like in the crawl space, it's warm. Oh wow. Well, there goes that idea. I'm gonna go check the windows and see maybe if there's drafts getting in from the outside. That's the only other thing I can think of. Maybe none of the windows have trim around them. So let's just see. You can definitely feel the draft coming in the cracks. I don't know, dude. It's definitely blowing in here for sure. Okay. I don't know if that's all of our issue. Every other duct down here is wrapped aluminum on all the joints and stuff. There's no leaks in the main plenum. And then you got this guy hanging out, waiting to bite me. So I'm gonna drop this guy. I had to borrow that little piece over there, the leftovers, thank goodness, to maybe see if I can wedge it and just duck the crap out of it, aluminum foil the crap out of it for now, just to see if I can get this thing done. But I'm not ready to die. I mean, dude, they did everything I was gonna do down here, which I didn't know was here. I mean, they insulated the concrete, they put in between the joists, they put a vapor barrier. I mean, they were venting their dryer into this room, and so it collect moisture and all the things like a vent would, and so like it's moldy and stuff down here. It needs some serious cleaning and dusting. But I mean, look at this. Look at that crap, dude. Which also makes me think that since we moved washer and dryer to where it's gonna be permanently, this duct hasn't been to the outside that was going to the vent, or the vent for the dryer. I didn't seal off, so I'm gonna steal a little bit of my insulation, pop it on the outside of it, see if that'll help. I'm going to see, let's get some spray foam, spray around the windows, more foil tape, and then tape all the leaky spots I can see. Like around in the basement and see if that helps. And we'll check in tomorrow and see if it's made any difference. A bunch of supplies from Ace and RP Lumber. That's the only two spots in the town that I can get stuff from. I've got enough insulation to wrap the ceiling. Well, you know what? I'll just show you guys when I get home. Got a bunch of stuff, man. I'm hoping this does it. Yeah, I forgot. There's one more thing I'm gonna buy that my mom recommended. Love you, mama. Gonna see if I can get one more thing to see. I'm gonna put it on all the windows. You probably know what it is. I'm gonna grab that and then we'll check in. I'll show you guys everything I got, and then a lot to do after I get home. So, all right. Okay, that's everything. It's R19 paperback off for just one side of the house. It's $300 for enough to do just one. So we're gonna have to make do. Spray foam for all the cracks in the windows. Definitely felt some air coming through. More aluminum tape. This door is leaking like crazy, and I didn't want to replace it and buy a new door because we're going to turn it into an interior door when I frame this off. But man, you can just tell the cracks. It's coming through. It's only on one hinge. So I bought a new strip. I'm going to put in there, and then I got some foam to kind of like seal off around there and just to make it a little bit more airtight. That's what this stuff is. So, and then I also got this for the windows. So we'll see. So I can seal up all these cracks.
Girls channel. We need 7,000 subscribers. I hope you like this video.
Okay. I think I'm done in the crawl space for now. Just opened up a can of worms though. Found so much stuff. Wet, moist, moldy down there. So that's fun. Let's seal up this door and seal up the windows. Maybe that helps, man. Spray foam. I need a spray foam. that stuff, spray foam, so sticky. This is not coming off. I cannot get this thing off. Okay, it is the next day-ish. Got everything done. And I'm waking up for work. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:02. And the heat isn't running at all. And we set it at 69 so it wouldn't continuously, I know, 69, but we set it that so it wouldn't run continuously and try to eliminate it working so hard. So it's a little chilly in here, but the thing's not running at all, so I'm curious to see what it is. $69, baby. Heck yeah. We did it, man. Man, that's a win. That's a win. But there's something else that we need to do, and I think it's gonna make a huge, huge difference. This guy needs replaced, like stat.